Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2025 Roadtrek Chase 50. This is the 50th anniversary edition of the Roadtrek line. Some extra special features built into this unit. We're going to show you what they are. Right off the bat, you can see it's got a blackout finish to it. So the front grille has got the black to it. Your tires, the rims are all blacked out. Really pops up against that silver body paint on the rest of the chassis. A couple of features on the outside, you do have a Truma AquaGo system, so that's going to keep you cool. It's going to keep you hot. It's going to warm up your water for you. You've got underneath that a macerator system as well as a gravity-fed flush to empty out your tanks when you need to. Cool feature here, you've got 3 different power steps, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side, and one on the main entry, which you'll see in a minute. One of the features I really like this year that they've added is that there is a chassis shutoff right by the driver's seat. You can see here there is a spot to fill up your fresh water, so all kinds of conveniences here, and the pump, waste discharge pump here as well. So a lot of accessories that are conveniently located throughout the coach in order to make your camping experience and your overall travel experience that much better. You can see here we've got the lagoon table locked in. There's a couple spots to set up the lagoon table inside the coach. One of them's right here at the back in the lounge area, and there's another one up front, which I'll show you when we step into the main area. I want to show you this view from the back though, because this 50th anniversary edition has a feature that I really like, and that's the way this lounge is set up. I've taken a few pictures of this. You can see them on the website, but check this out. Nice full Italian leather to the finish back here in the coach. You can pop this up so that you can have a little bit of a raised section if you want to lay your head and be comfortable. You can use that for when you have the bed set up too. A couple different ways to set the bed up. You can do 2 twin beds side by side. You can use these cushions, build a bridge here with some of the wood panels that they've included and create a big king bed. You can set the beverage holder up in the middle of that so you can have individual twin beds, good size, nice and comfortable, and still have a beverage holder in between you. Back here in the lounge, you do have a full TV, LED strips underneath, nice windows on either side. Positioning of the cabinetry is a little bit different in this one from previous editions as well. In the 50th anniversary edition, they've moved this main cabinet over to the left side, which really opens up this side of the coach. Has a different feel to the typical Roadtrek Chase. Certainly if you come in and take a look at the Zion, a very similar floor plan in the Zion, but the cabinet is on the other side on the Zion. That LED strip lighting looks really great, and you can see back here the Firefly being one of the cool features of the coach. There's 2 Firefly units in this one, part of the 50th anniversary edition package. There's a Firefly here at the back, and another one I'll show you here in a moment at the front entrance. So as we make our way around to that main entrance, we'll show you from the outside. There is a full carefree awning on the side of this unit that will pop out. It can mount to the side of the coach or it can mount to the ground depending on how you want to use it. The carefree awning will retract on its own once the wind hits it, which is a great safety feature as well. You can see the 2 power steps here. Right now we've got this extendable table in the down position so that we can make a nice entryway into it, but that does pop up relatively easily, so you can have that extra counter space as well. You can see here too the nice 50th anniversary badge on the unit. We'll head inside and take a look at the cab itself. So some great features on this one. This is a fully loaded Ram ProMaster chassis. This unit was flat decked to us, so very low, under 100 kilometers on the odometer, just enough to get it onto the flat deck from the factory, and comes to us in beautiful, extremely new car smell condition. Nice finish to the chairs too. You can see that nice Italian leather is repeating itself here in the passenger and driver's seat. They do rotate around, of course, for the social aspect of it, to be able to face inside. Set your lagoon table up there and have a nice space here at the back to eat and have several people in the coach and still have lots of comfort for everybody. Big screen for your navigation system and entertainment system. That has a full navigation built in. You've got a charging pad there. Set your phone in there. It's going to charge for you through thermal. And here at the front you can see great gauge layout. Both this unit and the Zion unit have full 3D wraparound cameras as well, so you can really only see that when it's in the drive position. Come on, folks, we'll show it to you. Can't do that right now because we've got the chair turned around, so those features are turned off as part of the safety features of the coach. Here's the Firefly system here, one of the 2 that are in the unit that's going to control everything from one spot. Your lighting, your tank monitors, your temperature controls, all those sorts of things all in one spot. You can see here, you've got the bug netting that's going to zip close so you can keep these doors open, keep the fresh air coming through, but keep the bugs out. High-rise faucet in the kitchen, all kinds of storage underneath. Induction burner. Cool thing too in the 50th anniversary edition, you've got those LED strip lights underneath. You've got one right here under the microwave. This little blue button here will actually allow you to dim those down a little bit, as you can sort of see in the video, but you can certainly see if you come in. Nice touch from our friends at Roadtrek. We'll pop the bathroom open so you can have a look at that. Roadtrek bathroom, of course, not very big, but it has everything you need. Full shower, foot flush toilet, full sink, spot there to keep a few things stored, magazine rack on the outside for those of you who like to read while you're doing your business. Probably my favorite feature on these Roadtreks, has been my favorite feature as long as I've been around, is these cool pantry spaces. You're able to store all kinds of things in there while you're away camping, lots of dry goods to keep you able to eat while you're on the road. If you want to load up on groceries, all kinds of room to put stuff, including underneath here. You've got a nice big drawer. And again, great storage over here on the left-hand side under the sink area as well. Nice big fridge in this unit. You're going to think this typically is going to be used for 2 people. Certainly enough space in here to set up for 2 people to be able to get out and camp for quite a while. Built-in microwave as well, right over top of the induction burner, which is a great cooking source. We saw some of these features of the lounge from the outside. There's the beverage holder there. We've still got the bubble wrap on it to protect it, and that nice Italian leather is absolutely fantastic. Shirt closets on the other side. You can see the inverters built in there as well. There's a spot to hang your shirts and a little bit of wardrobe, as well as your post for the lagoon table here at the back. Great storage options here throughout the back of the coach, as you can see. And then underneath here, real big storage space underneath this area here. And you can see they also have the prop ups for those headrests for the bed. You can see how that's got a little honeycomb design to it. Nice and sturdy and stable. You do have a TV back here in the lounge. Nice and comfortable area that really, up to 4 or 5 people can comfortably sit back here, have a conversation, play some cards, maybe watch the game. If you do have company over, it might seem very strange to do that in a B van because they really are not the largest of coaches, but certainly the way this one is laid out, you've got lots of room to get yourself comfortable and have a few people over back here in the lounge area and then up at the front. And as you can see, the layout of the coach really opens things up. It's nice and airy inside. Folks, this has been a quick look at the 2025 edition of the Chase 50th Anniversary Edition from Roadtrek. Absolutely fantastic layout, beautiful finish inside. You got to come see it. If you're interested at all in a B van, we can show you some of the high-level features, things like solar panels. We've got lithium batteries in this unit, underhood generator that's going to run on idle to really back up some power into your battery system. Of course, 30 amp shore power. And then there's things like the macerator pump, just all these different convenience features to make the Roadtrek the best choice for you to get out and enjoy yourself in a B van camping situation. This unit is available on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would love to sell you one of these as well. Come on in and see us, folks. Camping season is upon us. Let's get out and make some memories together. Be part of the Leisure Time family in this beautiful B van or another camper that's going to suit the needs of you and your family.